Vanakkam friends, welcome to my 2 minutes conversational Tamil lessons. Let me start with the lessons now. Run, odu. Run is odu. He runs. Avan Odukiraan. So he runs will be Avan Odukiraan. So he is Avan, runs will be Odu, that is run, and Kiran, Odukiraan. So he runs is Avan Odukiraan. She runs, Aval Odukiraal. She is Aval. Runs will be Odu, that is run, for run, and Kiral. So she runs will be Odukiraal. Walk is Nada. He walks. Avan Nadakiraan. He is Avan. Walks will be Nada. That is for walk. What we say for walk. And Kiran. So it is Avan Nadakiraan. She walks. Aval Nadakiraal. She is Aval. And walks will be Nada and Kiral. So she walks will be Aval Nadakiraal. Then laugh is Siri. He laughs. Avan sirikiraal. So he is Avan here. Laughs will be Siri and Kiran. So it is he laughs will be Avan sirikiraal. She laughs. Aval sirikiraal. She is Aval here, and laughs will be Siri and Kiral. So she laughs will be Aval sirikiraal. Now is the time for things to remember. He is Avan, she, Aval, run, odu, walk, nada, laugh, Siri. Words ending with Kiran will represent masculine gender, and words ending with Kiral will represent feminine gender. Okay. See you all in my next video. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Mikka Nandri.